Good morning, everyone. Little different video today. I have uh, 6 knives actually I'm going to be showing. 4 of them I've made videos on before. The last 2 are new patterns that are going to be on my site here in the next few weeks. Anyway, this one right here, we've seen that one before. That's the Canadian belt knife pattern. And here I'll show the sheath first. Double stitched and copper saddle makers rivets. Is a little different on the end here because of the shape of the blade. I'll show you here now. It's a different kind of style. Old pattern. This one has a maple burl handle. That's a stabilized type of wood. Little different, nice looking. And of course the leaf pattern blade that has very popular with bushcraft guys and skinners. Easy drop point for skinning game. All right, that's that one. This one right here, and the same sheath, of course, all the way around, is my new pattern woodsman field knife. New pattern as opposed to the old pattern that I still make. Kind of hard to hold it right there. Gunstock tiger maple handle and 3 brass pins. These are really popular knives. Kind of reminiscent of the old butcher knives that the frontier guys used to use when they didn't have anything else for skinning buffalo and things like that. Let's see, this one right here is the actual, what I call a frontier knife, and same sheath. I sign and date everything on the back of all my knives. So this one right here, this one again is a frontier pattern that I make, gunstock tiger maple, and this one has 4 pins, larger handle, and different blade style. Really good knife. Hunters like these a lot. Alrighty. This one right here is my small trapper model. Okay. Get it out of there. There we go. Smaller knife. Quite a bit smaller. This is a everyday carry type. And as I say, it's called a trapper. It skins game out very well. Very fine point on that. Fits the hand good, but it is a compact knife. Yep. And again, as always, I hand forged these from 5160 or 1095 carbon steel. Incredibly strong steel. Holds an edge very well. Okay, this one right here is what's called a harpoon edge. You see it has that, let's see if I can get this thing. There we go. See, it has this drop point right behind the swedge area right here, and hence the name harpoon. And it has the blue finish on it. These are an outdoor survival type. Big knife, lanyard hole. These are the loveless bolts that I've talked about in my previous videos for the bigger knife handles. This one is not sold right at the moment. This is going to be a new one available on the site here in the next couple weeks. And the last one is actually my small everyday carry pattern knife. This one usually goes with a cross draw sheath. This is again like an everyday carry type of knife. It's heavy duty, can cut really tough stuff, but it's small, so it doesn't take up much room on your belt. Nice little knife. Actually, this is going to be a part of a 2-knife set. I have a bigger knife and a smaller knife combination like that is very handy when when you're out in the woods and camping and things like that, survival, where you don't need to have, or you need to have actually two knives, a bigger one and a smaller one. So anyway, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like, and ring that icon bell, and like the video if you'd like. And all my information is on the YouTube channel here, as well as my website, furnacebrookironworks.com. I have a wait list on there right now, and what you can do there is sign up for all available knives that may be coming up in the future. I usually try to do about 2 or 3 a month. That'll notify you by email when they are available on my site. Okay, and we appreciate you coming back and seeing us here in my videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you again.